If anything, if I could encourage customers to understand their water quality that is coming into their building and to treat that water, whether it's softening it, filtering it. We've got customers where they get the water coming in has got a lot of like sand in it, believe it or not. And what that sand get caught in the valves and the valves start gumming up. The amount of calcium and the hardness can really affect water valves over time. It'll affect not just our machine, it'll affect every water device in anything. So whether it's water valves, dish machines, that water quality really matters. And if I could get customers to do anything for themselves beyond just the laundry room, is to really pay attention and get a good water vendor in there and really treat that water properly. It can save so much on repairs on all those appliances throughout that building. That's outside of our scope, but it directly impacts us. No, those are actually simple to put repair kits in, depending on what kind of valve it is. Some of them just have to be replaced, but like on a Unimax, you can just unscrew the lid on the top. Basically is the easiest way to describe it. You take the solenoid out, it's got a repair kit, you put it, drop it in, you put it back together, you put the solenoid back on, and off and running you go. So easy. We teach that in our service schools. Encourage you to do that. A lot of people though don't have the maintenance people to be able to do it just because they're so busy with other places. Replacing repair kits and water valves is not a hard process at all.